In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the share code of an estate design here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and open up the estate design menu. You of course do need to be at an estate that you can actually design. In my case, I'm actually not, so let me go ahead and fast travel over to one real quick. Once you're here, pause the game, go over to my estates, and you can do this just by going to my horizon, then go to my estates, and then essentially once you're here, go ahead and of course customize your estate to be however you would like, and then go to manage estates, and it's going to show you all of your estates right here. Now, once you find whatever design it is that you want to share, go ahead and just hit the menu button on it. Hit share estate on it first. I've already done that. That's why it says unshare estate. And then to actually get like the share code, simply hit view estate info, then hit RT, and it's going to show you that share code right here. From here, it'll also show you the shared estates. You can go over here as well. But of course, that is it. If you're looking for community design ones, you do the exact same thing, except instead you go into browse community estates, and then of course do once again the exact same thing. That's the full process though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.